Hello everyone, welcome to Jinhu Alu Corporation Exhibition Hall. Let's take a look. Jinhu Corporation was established in 2003 and since then we have proudly gained 21 years of experience. And in the upcoming 5 years, we would like to lead the high quality development and innovation. Let me introduce you to the product of our company. As you can see, these are color coated aluminum. This has many colors and many styles to choose from. The next product is aluminum composite panel. As you can see, this one also has many varieties of color, and we also have fireproof aluminum composite panels and different thicknesses. These are some of the key applications of our product, such as the aluminum roofing system, the aluminum drainage system, and also the refrigerator leaning board. Wow, so many certificates, right? Since 2023, Jinhu has acquired many important certificates, which ensures that we are one of the most experienced corporations in the industry.